Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mrs. Speak English channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and part of your everyday life. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ethan. Hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so great to be here with you today.
Ethan, you look very happy today. Did something good happen?
Yes, Emma. I woke up this morning and my very first thought was in English. I thought, oh, it's a beautiful day.
That is amazing, and that is exactly what today's episode is about.
Yes, today we are talking about a very exciting topic, how to start thinking in English.
This is something every English learner wants. You don't want to translate in your head all the time, right?
Exactly. You want English to feel natural, like it lives inside your brain.
And it can. But first, friends, if you are enjoying our show, please click the like button right now. It really helps us.
And subscribe to Mrs. Speak English channel so you never miss a lesson. Share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Okay, let's go. Ethan, are you ready?
I am so ready. Let's start.
Okay, Ethan, let's start with a question. When you learned English at school, what did you do when you heard a new word?
Oh, I always translated it into my first language. I heard apple and I immediately thought of the word in my language.
Yes, most learners do that. It's very natural. But the problem is translation is slow.
Right. When we speak, we don't have time to translate every single word.
Exactly. Native speakers don't translate. They just think. The words come directly.
So the goal is to remove the middle step, the translation step.
Yes, we want English to go directly from your brain to your mouth. No translation needed.
That sounds like a superpower.
It is, and anyone can learn it, but it takes practice. Let's talk about how.
Okay, Emma, what is the first tip for thinking in English?
Start small. Don't try to think in full sentences right away. Start with just one word.
One word, like what?
When you see a chair, think chair. When you see the sky, think sky. When you feel hungry, think hungry.
Oh, so you connect the word directly to the thing or feeling, not to the word in your language.
Exactly. You see the object, you think the English word. No translation.
That's brilliant. It's like being a baby again. Babies learn words by seeing things.
Yes, that is exactly how it works, and it feels very natural very quickly.
So, listeners, try it right now. Look around you. What do you see? Think of the English word for it.
A window, a table, a cup, a phone. Just the English word, no translation.
Okay, Emma, what is the next tip?
This one is so fun. I call it the sports commentator method.
Oh, like a sports commentator on TV? And he kicks the ball.
Exactly, but you do it for your own life. When you are doing something, describe it in English inside your head.
So, like, I am opening the fridge. I see some eggs. I am going to make breakfast.
Perfect. You are your own sports commentator. Your life is the game.
I love this. So, you're always practicing even when you're just making breakfast or walking to the bus.
Yes, the key is don't stop to find the perfect word. Just use whatever English words you know. Keep going.
And over time, your brain gets faster and faster.
Exactly. You're training your brain, just like training a muscle.
Okay, here is something I want to ask you, Emma. Some people say, I know I'm becoming fluent because I dream in English. Is that true?
Yes, when you start dreaming in English, it means the language is really inside your brain.
But how do you make that happen?
You can't control your dreams, of course, but you can help your brain. The trick is, before you sleep, think in English.
Oh, so your brain is already in English mode when you fall asleep.
Exactly. Think about your day in English. Today I went to the market, I bought some vegetables, I was tired but happy.
Simple sentences. Just review your day like a little story.
Yes, and when you do this every night, your brain starts to think in English even when you're asleep.
Wow, that is like studying while you sleep. I love it.
Okay, here's a big one. Many learners use a translation dictionary all the time, but there's a better way.
What do you mean? Isn't the dictionary helpful?
A translation dictionary can help sometimes, but if you always translate, your brain never learns to think in English.
Oh, I understand. It's like using a calculator all the time. You never learn to do the math in your head.
Perfect example. So instead, use an English to English dictionary. When you don't know a word, read the English explanation.
So if I don't know the word curious, I read wanting to know or learn about something, all in English.
Exactly. You stay inside the English language. You don't go back to your first language.
That is a really important habit. It feels harder at first, but it trains your brain so well.
Yes, and there are great apps for this. Cambridge Dictionary and Oxford Learner's Dictionary are wonderful.
Emma, I have a confession.
Oh, what is it, Ethan?
I talk to myself a lot.
I think many people do, and that is actually a great habit for English learners.
Really? So when I drop something and I say, oh no, I should say it in English?
Yes, your emotional reactions, those little words when something happens, try to say them in English.
Like, oh wow, or that's great, or let me think.
Exactly. These small reactions are very natural in conversation. When you practice them, they come out automatically.
So even my surprised face should say, oh my goodness, in English.
Yes, the more automatic English becomes, the more you are truly thinking in English.
Okay, Emma, we talked about so many great things today. Let me try to remember them all.
Go ahead.
Tip 1. Think in single words. Connect English words directly to things around you.
Great. Tip 2.
Give yourself a running commentary. Be the sports commentator of your own life.
I love that one. Tip 3.
Before bed, review your day in English. Help your brain dream in English.
Yes. Tip 4.
Stop translating. Use an English to English dictionary to stay in the English world.
And tip 5.
Talk to yourself in English. Even your little reactions and surprise moments, say them in English.
Wonderful, Ethan. You remembered everything.
I was thinking in English the whole time.
Now, friends, here's your challenge for this week. Pick just one tip from today. Do it every day for 7 days.
Just one, that's all. Small steps every day make a big difference.
Come back and tell us in the comments, which tip did you choose and how did it go?
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone. You're doing something wonderful. You're learning and growing every day.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.
Please subscribe to Mrs. Speak English channel if you haven't already. Give us a like and share this episode with someone who needs it.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep thinking in English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.